Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at dollar yen. Pretty good day here on Friday for the dollar. We dipped again, as you can see, and then turned around to break back above the 200-day EMA. If we can clear the top of this candlestick, could go looking towards the 147.25 level. However, keep in mind there's a couple things that are going to move this market quite drastically beyond bonds. You have the FOMC next week, which may or may not be important. Maybe they don't do anything. But then you have the Bank of Japan the following week, and everybody's banking on the idea of the Bank of Japan possibly normalizing rates. That's what's caused all of this. Rates jumping in America would turn things around. The BOJ flinching would turn things around. At this point, it's just a matter of, do we break and go higher to recover? If we turn around and break down below these candlesticks, that could signify a longer-term trend change. We are at a major point of inflection, so you're going to have to be very cautious. I would expect choppy, trader, but I still favor the upside, at least until we break through these tails here. Once that happens, then you have to take a different look at it. Like, take a look at the weekly candlestick bounce right off the 50-week EMA in a classic hammer. So that's bullish, but the daily candlestick, at least a sign of stabilization. Now I need to see some follow through to get really bullish about buying the dollar, or more specifically shorting the pound or the yen. Truthfully, the trade might be, once this starts rising, speaking of the pound, maybe buy the pound against the yen or the euro or the Canadian dollar or the Swiss franc and so on. That might actually be the trade as you're watching this one. So keep an eye. Yen tends to move in the same direction against most currencies. This is the bellwether.